Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make 2 easy 3-minute Christmas cards. These are super easy and quick to make. The main thing you're going to need is a piece of paper. I'm going to show you how to make a bigger one and a smaller one. So first we're going to do the bigger one. So what you're going to need for the bigger one, you're going to need a piece of paper, something to draw with. I have this Sharpie, a pair of scissors, and a glue stick, or you can use glue. So first you're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to fold it in half. And then you're going to fold it in half again. And now it's like, now if you don't want, you don't have to glue it, but now it's like a easy medium-sized card. But now what you're going to do is you're going to unfold it like this, and you're going to just put glue all over. You're going to, this is how you're going to make it into a thick card. This way it's going to be a little thicker than a normal paper card. Okay, I'm done now. And now I'm going to fold this in half and press down. Then I'm going to fold it in half. And here's another card. And now I'm going to draw something on the front. I am going to draw a snowman and some snow, and I'm going to draw Merry Christmas. You can write whatever you want. And let's get started. Okay, I'm done drawing the snowman. This is how it looks. It's basically a cute, easy snowman, some snow, and Merry Christmas. The only color I needed is a scarf. You can draw whatever you want. I'm making this Christmas card, so I just did a snowman. And in the inside, I'm going to write, hope you have a good Christmas and some snow. Let's get started. Okay, I'm done. This is how it looks. This is super easy, and we're done with the big one. Basically a medium-sized card. Now we're going to make the small card. It's pretty small, but you can make like a lot of them at a time. So now what we're going to do is you're going to need a piece of paper, basically all the same stuff from the last one, something to draw with, a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and some colors if you're going to need them. Okay, so first what you're going to do is you're going to fold your paper in half like this. And then you're going to unfold it. Now there should be a line down the middle like this. And you're going to take each side, and I'm going to do this one first, and you're going to fold it into the middle. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, now it looks like this. And then you're going to fold it in half like this. Now it should look like this. I can make like 3 or 4 of these little cards. So now what I'm going to do is I'm unfold these, and I'm going to glue inside of this. Okay, I'm done with that. It's like this. And I'm going to fold each side back in like this. And push down. Let's go to the next one. It's that easy. Now it's like this. Fold that in half. I'm basically done with that. And I can cut it into as many cards as I want. It depends how big you want them. How tall. Okay, I'm gonna just make one for now. Here it is. It's super cute and tiny. And now I'm gonna draw something on the front. You can draw whatever you want. Okay, I'm done drawing it. This is how it looks. Super cute. The inside is blank right now, so I am going to write Happy Holidays. Your inside should be blank, but I already did that, so here it is. You can draw, write whatever you want inside, and that's it. It's 2 easy cards. Here's the cards we made. A medium size and a really small one. These are cute and easy, very simple to make. So if you want to make a super quick card with only like a piece of paper, a pair of scissors, something to draw with, and a glue stick, well then here's a very easy way. So bye, hope you enjoyed this video.